And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
I'm going to tell you that the temperatures today were around 40 degrees, and you're going to be sitting at home going, no, they weren't. And you know what? We're both kind of right, because it was 40 degrees at midnight, and then the temperature dropped all the way down to about 28, 29, and pretty much stayed there all day. We're going to do this again tomorrow, but the difference is we're going to do it about 20 degrees colder. So what I mean by that is your temperatures now are either side of 20. We're going to hit midnight here shortly. That's going to be your high temperature for Tuesday in the books. But 20s are going to become teens by morning. In fact, single digits like 9, 8, 10, 11, and then they're going to just stay there all day. So tomorrow will be another one of those days where the temperature may say it's 20s in the book, but we know in the afternoon it's going to feel a lot colder than that, about 10 to 15 for the afternoon hours. So that next layer of cold, we had a shot of it today, and the next round to the north is oozing south, and it's the frigid stuff. An Arctic blast front moving through tonight and takes us to that next level. So instead of being near 30, we're in the teens tomorrow. Really cold Tuesday night, but the Arctic blast does not have a grip for very long. But the cold temperatures, the theme of cold temperatures continues Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Just be it not 14 for a high temperature. We got some 30s and some 20s mixed in. And when you look at the big picture, take it for the next 5 days. Let's go days 6 through 10. That takes us all the way to the middle to the end of the month. And you can see much of the colder weather confined to the northeast. It's an average temperature. It means your daytime highs and lows will be below average. Where's the warmth? Out west. Back in November and December, this pattern was completely reversed. Mother Nature always has an interesting way of balancing things out. Cloud cover. You see all this here and here? This is colder air racing over what we would consider relatively warm temperatures in the ocean. We know it's not warm, but it's warm enough, warmer than the air, and you get this cloud cover that kind of parallels the coast. There's also a little cloud cover back to the west that will move through tonight. Overall, though, this is generally a clear night and cold. Here's your high temperatures tomorrow. Not high at all. Sunshine and just kind of getting stuck in those teens and not moving. The temperature in the morning, not much different in the afternoon. And by evening, we're right back to where we started from, and we'll bump up to about 14 or 15 in the process. At least it'll be sunny, deceiving sun, not much wind. Some people are like, well, 15 and no winds better than 32 and gusty winds. Hey, whatever works for you, it's all good. It's just going to be really cold. So we got clear skies for the most part by morning. Some sunshine pops. And then in the afternoon, a few ocean effect snow showers for Cape Cod. Otherwise, it's sunny and cold. Going to Tuesday night, still frigid stuff. A few little flurries maybe at the coast, but overall, generally just a few clouds by morning. And the temperatures on Wednesday go way up in the afternoon. I mean, 30s is not way up, but it's a lot better than 14. In fact, a lot of locations will go mid to upper 30s, and that's why that Arctic blast is a quick hit. By the end of the week, there's another potential storm for Friday and one for Sunday. Right now, I have both of them missing. I've kept it dry. If they do track a little bit closer, we'll add some precipitation. But for right now, just a long stretch of cold and dry weather on that 7-day forecast. Nick.
Thank you, Jeff. Patriots